Well, here we go again. Except for this time, we got in late 80s, early 90s, Lawn Hawk. I wonder who made this one. Well, let's take it in here and see what we're working with. Not bad. We'll get the hood up in a minute, but the deck is still good. Interesting. Oh, got the shifter in the center. I wonder how many speed this is. Old 7-speed. Huh. Well, see what we got under the hood here. Nice. Good old flathead Briggs. See if we can get this guy to start and run and maybe get it to move. And who knows, we may get this one back out mowing again. Well, let's see if the motor will turn over by hand. See if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Let's check it out. And here we go. What do we get? Well, motor spins, but yeah, that doesn't feel right. Are you guys watching the deck move as I rock the motor back and forth? I think it's got a stuck belt. We're definitely going to have to check that out. Well, by the looks of that starter, I wonder if it even remotely still works. We'll try to throw some power at it, and if it doesn't work, we're going to try to bring that starter back. 1 second. Here we go. Let's see if we got any starter action here. Nope. See if we can get that thing freed up. Well, let's get a pair of pliers on it, see if we can get her to break loose. Oh. All right. Let's just throw some power at it and see what we get. That belt still might be screwing with us there. Yep. Definitely got to look at that belt down there. Well, we got the jump pack all charged up. Let's give her some fuel here. Good old Windex bottle. Works great for fuel. Probably enough. Yeah, we'll keep going. Thing may take a little bit. Well, let's throw a little power at it and see what we get. Maybe we don't have spark. I'm gonna have to check that out. Well, we got the cover off, disconnected the shut-off wire. Let's feed her some fuel here and see what we get. That's probably enough. Yeah, let's throw some power to the starter now. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's try that again. No way. Let's do it again. Let's do it again one more good time here. Well, let's put some gas in the gas tank and see if the carburetor will come back. But very nice. Well, we did a little bit of carb cleaning here. Threw on a new pickup. Let's squirt some gas down it. And see what we get. See if I got the carburetor cleaned. Contact. Come on. Go on, just ran. Oh, the choke might be on it. See if I can get that stick off. Nice! Very nice. Very nice. Well, while we got it running, let's see if it'll move. Looks like I'm gonna have to put a belt on it, figure out why it won't go into gear, but hey, it runs. Well, as you just seen, that good old Briggs now runs decently, and you also seen that it doesn't go into gear. So pretty much we got to deal with the belt issue, and probably something along the lines, and let's hope it's not the rear end, because who knows if I can find one for one of these. Oh, with a little bit of digging, we did figure it out. So it's a Lawn Hawk by MTD. And looks like the build date on the motor is 92. So we're going to call this thing a 92 Lawn Hawk. All right, at least now we know what the year is.